In this video, I wanna show you how to enable Google Tag Manager or GTM in WordPress site. It is so simple. Go your plugin section and click Add New Plugin. Simply search here GTM for WP. Search here, and you can see here this plugin GTM for WP. Install now. Activate, and here you can see your plugin GTM for WP. Just go here, settings, enter your Google Tag Manager ID here. Google Tag Manager ID is here, GTM. Just click here and paste this GTM code, copy and paste here. Okay, save changes. Here you can see that container code is off. Just click here on and again save changes. Okay, click here integration, WooCommerce, and click here track e-commerce, customer data in DataLayer, use SKU instead of ID. Okay, and save changes. Let's check it. Is it working or not? Just simply submit here and publish. Continue. Okay, let's preview this. Preview and connect. Here you can see that not connected. Just wait 1 second. Loading my website. You can see here continue and Google tag found, window loaded, DOM ready, view item list, container loaded. You can see here, and just click here one product. I wanna click this DNK blue shoes. Just wait 1 second. View item list, DataLayer.push, view item list, DNK blue shoes. See here. Then add to cart. Here you can see that add to cart, view item, add to cart, view cart, view cart, and checkout, billing details, and at last place order. Here you can see URI, order received, order is placed, and here you can see that purchase. So thank you for watching this video. If you need any help, feel free to message me. I will help you anytime. Thank you.